Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving deep into something every hair lover craves: a smooth, shiny, and frizz-free mane, all from the comfort of your own home. If you've ever dreamed of salon-worthy hair without the hefty price tag or the need for frequent appointments, you're in the right place. We're about to explore the top 5 best keratin treatments at home, each one carefully selected to give you the strongest, silkiest hair possible, with results you can see and feel. Whether you're dealing with dryness, damage, or just looking to enhance your natural shine, these treatments are here to help transform your hair, step by step. Get ready, because we're counting down the top contenders in this world of hair care. Each product has its own magic, designed to restore, repair, and smooth your locks to perfection. Let's jump straight into the countdown and discover the ultimate solutions to upgrade your hair routine. Ranking number 5 in our top 5 best keratin treatments at home is the Vitamins Hair Cosmetics Keratin Hair Mask Deep Conditioner. This 2-in-1 hair conditioner and mask is a game changer for anyone looking to restore their hair to its natural beauty. If you've been struggling with dry, damaged, or color-treated hair, this product could be the miracle you've been waiting for. What if you could transform your hair with a single treatment that not only repairs but also nourishes and hydrates deeply? This keratin hair mask is packed with powerful ingredients like biotin, collagen, and castor oil, which work together to replenish your hair's strength and vitality. It's an intensive bond repair solution, perfect for those with brittle, weak, or damaged locks. Imagine having soft, shiny, and silky hair without the frizz, thanks to the advanced frizz control and long-lasting moisture it delivers. Whether you have curly or straight hair, this mask provides sleek, smooth beauty, taming flyaways, and boosting shine. It even helps with split ends and offers thermal protection, shielding your hair from the heat damage that comes with styling tools. The best part? It's safe and lightweight, so it won't weigh your hair down or leave it greasy. The formula is sulfate, paraben, alcohol, and cruelty-free, ensuring you get a professional salon experience in the comfort of your own home. Whether you're battling color-treated hair or just want to give your scalp and roots some love, the Vitamins Keratin Hair Mask offers the moisture and repair your hair desperately needs. If you're tired of frizzy, damaged hair, this is the solution you've been waiting for. Want more tips on keeping your hair healthy and vibrant? Don't forget to subscribe to Beautyistic for more expert tips and reviews. Coming in at number 4 on our top 5 best keratin treatments at home is the Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Hair Mask. If you're dealing with damaged hair or simply craving healthier, shinier strands, this product is an absolute game changer. What if you could repair years of damage, reduce breakage, and transform your hair into a smoother, more conditioned version of itself in just a single treatment? The Olaplex number 8 works wonders for all hair types, targeting everything from dryness to breakage, leaving your hair visibly healthier. It's the perfect solution for those who struggle with brittle strands or need that extra boost to restore their hair's natural shine and softness. This powerful mask is packed with a formula that delivers 74% reduction in breakage and 3x more conditioning, making it ideal for those who need to revive dry, damaged locks. Not only does it nourish and hydrate, but it also increases shine by up to 90%, making your hair look and feel rejuvenated. With its ability to smooth and detangle, the Olaplex number 8 ensures your hair is easier to manage and visibly more vibrant after every use. The Olaplex treatment goes deep to strengthen hair bonds, improving its overall health while providing that salon-quality shine and smoothness from the comfort of your home. If you're looking for a product that targets serious damage and transforms your hair's texture and appearance, this is one you don't want to miss. So if you're ready to take your hair care routine to the next level, the Olaplex number 8 is a must-try. Want more tips for keeping your hair at its best? Don't forget to subscribe to Beautyistic for more expert reviews. Ranked number 3 in our top 5 best keratin treatments at home, the Keristas Genesis Hair Mask is here to tackle weak and damaged hair like never before. If your hair has been suffering from breakage due to overprocessing, frequent brushing, or just general wear and tear, this powerful mask is your solution. What if you could give your hair the strength it desperately needs while also nourishing and hydrating it back to life? KÉRASTASE offers a deep penetrating formula that not only works to repair, but also prevents future damage. Packed with intense moisture and reinforcing ingredients, this mask fights against hair fall and delivers that much-needed reinforcement to keep your strands strong and resilient. Let's face it, constantly fighting frizz, dryness, and split ends can feel like a never-ending battle. But with KÉRASTASE, you'll notice your hair feels healthier, smoother, and more manageable after just one use. The mask is designed to detangle, hydrate, and nourish, making it easier to handle those fragile, weakened locks. With consistent use, this treatment becomes an essential part of your hair care routine, addressing not only damage but also hair fall caused by repeated styling or harsh conditions. Say goodbye to weak, lifeless hair, and hello to stronger, shinier, and more vibrant strands. If you want a professional-level treatment right at home, the KÉRASTASE Genesis Hair Mask is the game changer you need. Don't let your hair suffer another day. Subscribe to Beautyistic for more expert tips and reviews. Trust me, your hair will thank you. Are you loving the countdown of the top 5 best keratin treatments at home? Well, don't leave your hair hanging. Give that like button a smooth press, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a treat for your tresses. At number 2 in our top 5 best keratin treatments at home, the Brazilian Keratin Hair Straightening Complex from Keratin Research is a total game changer. What if you could enjoy sleek, smooth, frizz-free hair without the salon price tag or lengthy visits? With this treatment, you can achieve professional-grade results right at home with minimal effort. The formula is packed with a powerful blend of keratin proteins, argan oil, and collagen amino acids that work together to strengthen, smooth, and repair hair from the inside out. It's the perfect solution for anyone struggling with frizz, dryness, or damaged hair. Imagine waking up every day with hair that's not only straightened, but also nourished and protected. Gone are the days of spending hours blow-drying and straightening your hair. This treatment lasts up to 4 to 6 months, saving you time and effort in your daily routine. It's designed for all hair types, delivering long-lasting, salon-quality results that you can rely on. The Brazilian keratin treatment also comes with a clarifying shampoo, ensuring your hair is properly prepped for the formula to work its magic. So, if you're ready to take control of your hair and enjoy smooth, beautiful strands day after day, this keratin treatment is a must-try. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more insider tips on getting the best hair care results at home. Because who doesn't want flawless hair without the hassle? At number 1, in our top 5 best keratin treatments at home, the K18 Leave-In Molecular Hair Mask stands out as the ultimate solution for dry, damaged, or over-processed hair. Imagine a treatment that works on a molecular level, reversing damage from bleach, color treatments, heat, and chemical services, all without weighing your hair down or leaving it greasy. This mask isn't just another hair product. It's backed by the cutting-edge K18 peptide technology, designed to repair hair at the deepest level, targeting multiple types of bonds to restore hair health. Whether you've struggled with breakage, split ends, or dullness, this treatment breathes new life into your hair, making it feel smoother, stronger, and healthier from the very first use. No need to worry about complicated routines. Simply apply the cream to damp hair and let it work its magic. You'll notice visible improvement in texture, shine, and strength with results that last. Say goodbye to the days of dealing with lifeless, damaged strands. This powerful yet natural formula is perfect for anyone looking for a salon-quality hair transformation from the comfort of their own home. Ready to give your hair the revival it deserves? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on how to achieve flawless hair at home. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the top 5 best keratin treatments at home. To stay updated on all the best sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.